How to fix Arlo Video Doorbell not recording. If your Arlo Video Doorbell isn't recording, first check your app settings. Ensure motion detection is activated and recording is enabled in your chosen mode. Then verify your device's online has sufficient battery life, and check for any potential Wi-Fi issues at the doorbell location. If the problem persists, try resetting the doorbell or contacting Arlo support for further assistance. Key steps to troubleshoot. Check app settings. Access the Arlo app and navigate to modes. Ensure the mode you're currently using is set to record on motion detection. Verify that the doorbell is set to armed and not in a disarmed mode. Once you applied all these steps, your Arlo Video Doorbell will function well as expected. Thank you for watching.